Hi guys, welcome to Simple Math. In this video we'll explain, or I'm going to solve an exercise about area of compound shapes. Get the total area of, or get the area of the full compound shape. This is a compound shape because it's made by two shapes. Yes? And I will explain that. To calculate the area of this plane shape, we need to cut like the shape into two parts, or we divide the plane shape into two parts. If you see, guys, here we can make a line here, yes, and here we have a triangle, and here we have a rectangle. And of course we have to analyze the things before we calculate that. So, the area of each one. The area of the compound shape is going to be the area of this rectangle plus the area of this triangle, right? The area of this rectangle plus the area of this triangle. First we calculate the area of this rectangle, which is the easiest, or which is very easy, all right? So you need to remember how is the formula of a rectangle. The area of a rectangle, let's call this the area number one, or the shape number one, and this one is going to be like the shape number two. So let's calculate the areas. The area of the shape number one is a rectangle. So the area of a rectangle, which is the area number one, is base times height. And here we have the base and we have also the height. Yes, so we can calculate that. The area of the shape 1 is equal to 14 centimeters times 5 centimeters. And we can do that by using a calculator, or we can do it manually. So the area of the shape number 1 is equal to 14 times 5. 5 times 4, 20, we carry 2, is 70. Centimeters times centimeters, centimeters squared. This is the area of the shape 1, which is this one. Now, let's analyze and calculate the area of the shape 2. What happened with the shape 2? The shape 2 is a triangle. To calculate the area of a triangle, the area of the shape 2 is base times height, and the answer divided by 2. Base times height over 2. What do we have for the formula, or in the formula? We have the base. We have this base, which is the measurement of this base. The measurement of this base is 5 centimeters. Why? Because this is a rectangle, and the opposite sides of a rectangle are the same, according to the property of the rectangles. So we can say that the base is 5. So we have the base. What happened? We need the height. At this time, we don't have it, but we can deduce, or we can conclude the height. Remember, the height is a perpendicular line that divides the base into two equal parts. We can call that the height. Yes, this is the height. But we can know this measure. We can conclude this measure. How? Like this. You know that from this part to this part is 20. Yes? Sorry. From here to here is 20, right? That we also know that from here to here is 14. So 20, yes, minus 14 is going to be this line segment. 20 minus 14, yes, because from here to here is 20. Yes, from here to here is 20. 20 minus 14 is going to give you this line segment. This is the line segment. 20 minus 14 is this. 20 minus 14 is 6 centimeters. And that's the height of the formula. You see? Now we can apply our formula. The area number 2, which is the area of a triangle, is base, which is 5 centimeters, times the height of this rectangle, which is 6 centimeters. And the answer divided by 2. So the area of the shape number 2 is equal to 5 times 6, 30 centimeters times centimeters, centimeters squared over 2. And the area of the shape number 2 is 30 divided by 2 is 15 centimeters squared. Yes? Remember, to calculate the area of the compound shape or the full shape, we add the area number 1 plus the area number 2. Yes? And that's the way we calculate the compound area. So we can say the total area, AT, the total area, is equal to the area of the shape number 1 plus the area of the shape number 2. So the total area is equal to area number 1, 70 centimeters squared, plus 15 centimeters squared. Yes, which is the area of the second one. So the total area is equal to 70 plus 15 is 85 centimeters squared. Ta-da! And that's the way we calculate the area of the total shape. Again, guys, thanks for watching Simple Math. I expect you have understood a little bit about area. Yes, this is like the second example I give you. I invite you to watch again the first example and then continue watching videos about Simple Math. Thank you very much again and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.